Chelsea Classical Studio's Clarified Lean Medium makes it really easy for oil painters to know when they're painting fat over lean. One of the most important fundamentals of painting in oils is that your paint's adhering properly. And if you paint lean over fat, that paint film won't stay put because it's going to dry quicker than the underlayer, and that causes all kinds of problems. So they wanted to make it simple. So they have fat and lean medium, and we're going to look at the lean medium. This is the medium that you're going to use first. It's a combination of both their lavender spike oil essence and their pale cold pressed linseed oil. That means it's safe to breathe, just like because it's made with the lavender spike oil and not with turpentines and solvents. So this is as safe to breathe as I say on there as probably orange juice. It's got no known carcinogens in it. And it's basically a combination of those two mediums. And you add this to your paint, it will thin the paint out a little bit, and it will increase adhesion, especially in your earlier stages of your painting. And when you add this to your paint, you can feel confident knowing that you are painting fat over lean, because the lean medium is designed to make sure that when used in conjunction with the fat medium, it has less oil, because really what it breaks down to is oil content versus solvent content. So you're going to see a little bit of a thinner consistency, and it also smells really pleasant, and I can't stress that enough. I take it for granted. It smells very pleasant, like lavender. So if you like the smell of lavender or don't mind the smell of lavender, this product is really a great alternative to the odorless thinners, because even though they say odorless, they don't say safe to breathe. So Chelsea Classical Studio's lean medium, use it first in with your oil paints so that you can ensure that you're painting fat over lean.